Buenas tardes, me llamo Himanshu. Good evening, my name is Himanshu. Soy de profesor de español. I am professor of Spanish. En esta sesión me voy a enseñaros las letras y los contados en español. In this session, I'm going to teach you letters and numbers in Spanish. Entonces, empezamos. So, let us start. In Spanish, we have 27 letters and their pronunciation is also different, unlike English. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, A, F, F, G, K, H, H, I, E, J, Khota, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, N. You see N on the top of this, there is an accent. This is one of the letters. We pronounce it N, N. So it is N. O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, UV, W, UV doble, X, X, Y, Y, Z, zeta. Last three are not letters, they are sounds in Spanish. CH sounds Ch, double L is L, double R is Er, Er. Now let us learn contado en español, means counting in Spanish. 0, 0, 1, uno, 2, dos, 3, tres, 4, cuatro, 5, cinco, 6, seis, 7, siete, 8, ocho, 9, nueve, 10, 10, 11, once, 12, doce, 13, trece, 14, catorce, 15, quince, 16, dieciséis, 17, diecisiete, 18, dieciocho, 19, diecinueve, 20, veinte, 21, veintiuno, 22, veintidós, 23, veintitrés, 24, veinticuatro, 25, veinticinco, 26, veintiséis, 27, veintisiete, 28, veintiocho, 29, veintinueve, 30, treinta, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50, 51, 51, 52, 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 59, 60, 60, 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, 70, 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79, 80, 80, 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90, 90, 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, 100 is 100. Eso es todo por hoy. This is all for today. If you have liked my lecture, then you can subscribe to my channel. If in case you want to learn the full course of Spanish for A1 and A2 level, you can either message me or call me in this number. Thank you so much. Adios.